For today's art activity, we are going to design and 3D print our own car. You can be as creative as you want. Here are a few examples. When we are designing our 3D printed car, think about where you're going to have the positive and negative spaces. The positive spaces are where the 3D print is solid, and the negative spaces are where there is an opening in your design. So keep that in mind as we are working on our designs. Everything will print in white, and once it's printed, we'll get to color it with markers. So let's take a look at how to create our 3D printed cars. We will be working today in Tinkercad. On the iPad, find the Tinkercad app and log in with our class code and your first name. Once you are signed in to Tinkercad, you're going to find the plus create over here. Right there, the blue button, you're going to tap it, and then you're going to choose 3D design. I'm going to start by going up to the top. Up at the top, it is just some random words that the app just puts in. We're going to tap on those words and we're going to delete them, and we're going to title our artwork with our name and then the word car. Once you have titled your artwork, you're going to find the scribble feature over here on the right hand side. It looks like a little blue squiggly line. You're going to tap it and then tap on the screen over here in the work plane. So for today, once you're in Tinkercad and you're in the scribble feature, you are now going to work on designing your own type of car. So maybe I want to make a car that has 2 circle wheels. I'm going to connect those across. And again, your car design can be as simple or as complex as you want. Maybe my car can be a bunny rabbit. And it's got some whiskers. And let's put a little eyeball there, which is also a headlight. Let's add some of those classic car details. Maybe a little steering wheel. Let's add the lines for the tires. Remember, all your lines do have to touch and connect. Oops, that went too far outside of my circle. Let's redo that one. There, that's better. And let's add the lines over here. If your lines are not touching and connecting, it will not 3D print properly. So if I were to put maybe like some polka dots on my car, that's not going to 3D print. Those will be separate and they'll fall apart. So everything does have to touch and connect. Now, one option I might want to have is to color my car in solid. For example, with my bunny tail, I might want to color it in solid. By doing that, it will give me more places for decorating once it 3D prints. So I could, with my car design, fill it in solid, and in that way, when it's time for 3D printing, when it's time to color it after 3D prints, I can do a little bit more creative work with it. If you don't fill it in solid, you're just going to have these random gaps and spaces. So I'm going to color it in solid. If you have a big space that you want to color, you can use the shape tool down at the bottom, trace the space that you're trying to fill, and then just go back and get any of the little spaces that maybe you missed. That looks pretty good. Once you are happy with your design for your car, remember there are tons of possibilities. Please do not make yours look the same as mine. You're going to go ahead and up at the top you can click Show Preview. And it kind of gives you a little glance at what it'll look like once it 3D prints. But let's go ahead and click Done. Now it does not matter what color your car is. It will only print in white because that is the type of filament that we have in our 3D printer. So I am going to, if I want to, I can come up to the top, and for fun, I can change the color of my car, and it can be any color I want. But again, it does not matter what color you make it, because when it 3D prints, it will only 3D print in white. So if you are finished with your design and you're happy with the way it looks, you're going to go ahead and click the Tinkercad logo in the top. But if after seeing it, you decide you want to change something, you just tap it, select it. With the little arrow up at the top, you can go into the settings, and right here you can click Edit Scribble. And if you wanted to change something, now you could. But I am done with my car, so I'm going to press Done. I'm going to press the Tinkercad logo. I'm going to log out. It's going to save it. And then over here in the right-hand corner, top right-hand corner, you're going to find the little icon for your account, and then at the bottom you're going to click log out. Make sure you sign out when you are finished, and you are all done with today's activity.